Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make a very simple and easy recipe of chocolate chip cookies. I'm just starting with the ingredients. First of all, we are going to use 275 grams of butter. We will be using 275 gram of dark brown sugar or brown sugar, then 225 gram of sugar, castor sugar or any sugar that is available with you. You can grind it and use it. 2 large eggs. I don't have large eggs. These are medium ones, so I'm using 3, and I will check whether 3 would be enough or 2 are enough. Then we'll be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I'm going to use 475 grams of all-purpose flour. Okay. Then we'll be using 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, pinch of salt, and 300 grams of good quality chocolate chunks or chocolate chips, whatever is available in your area, you can use it. I'm using Nestle semi-sweet chocolates. It's around 340 grams. I'll be using 300 from this, and I will also be using some chocolate chunks from this Galaxy Smooth. You can omit it if you don't want, but I want my cookies to be more chocolatey. That's why I'll be using the Galaxy chocolate chunks also. So let's start preparing the mixture of the cookies. First of all, I'll start my cookies by measuring the but we adding the white sugar first of all. Then I will measure the brown sugar and I will add exactly 275 grams of brown sugar. We will add it into the butter and then we will start mixing it. Now butter has been melted. We will be adding 1 egg at a time and then we will keep mixing them. Always break eggs in separate bowls in order to avoid any bad experience, because this happens with eggs a lot. As it is still coming in a blob form, so I'll be adding another egg. So now this is the consistency that we actually need. At this stage, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now I will add my dry ingredients. Now I have measured the flour, 475 grams. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. And I will add 1 teaspoon of soda. Baking soda. Sieving the flour into this mixture. Change the attachment of our machine. We'll be just adding 1 pinch of salt into my batter. Just a pinch, okay? Now I will mix it at slow speed. Okay? Now at this stage, I have just removed my paddle attachment, and now I'm going to add the chocolate. I'm adding 300 grams of the chocolate chip cookies, chocolate chips, sorry. Okay, after mixing this, we don't need to over mix it, or we don't need to put it on the machine for a very long time, otherwise the gluten will come out of the flour and we don't want this. I'm going to put it into the fridge for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to put my oven on preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrades, and then we will put the cookies inside. Okay, so after 30 minutes, I'm removing the cookie dough from the fridge. I'm using Galaxy chocolate. You can use any chocolate that you like or available in your area. Put 1 piece like this and cover it with the cookie dough. This is the size of a cookie that I'm going for. Okay. This is the first batch that I'm going to make. Okay, my oven is already preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and 175 degrees centigrade. 13 to 15 minutes is the time in which the cookie will be ready, because I want it to be crispy from outside and chewy from inside. Okay, so now I have put the cookies inside the oven on the middle rack. So I have taken out I let them sit on a rack, and then when you will take out the cookies, they'll be a bit soft. Okay, so you just need to let them rest and come at the room temperature. This is the back side of the cookie. It's all cooked. Chocolatey. Do try them and let me know your results in the feedback. Thank you.